And the next property is oil formation volume factor. Yeah, this is also a very important parameter. The oil formation volume factor, BO, is defined as the ratio of the volume of oil, yeah, ratio of the volume of oil, be careful, plus the gas in solution, yeah, at prevailing reservoir pressure and temperature to the volume of oil at standard condition. BO is always greater than or equal to unity, ya. So BO akan selalu lebih besar dari 1. Mengapa? Ya, because oil volume at reservoir temperature and pressure is always greater than oil volume on the surface. Ya, BO is this volume, reservoir volume, divided by surface volume. We have this illustration. So inside the reservoir, we have high pressure, maybe greater than bubble point pressure. Yeah. At reservoir condition, you will have the oil this big. Yeah, the oil is this big. And then this oil will be produced. Yeah, this oil will move across the well and then produce, and it will come up to the atmosphere. And what happened? After the oil arrives at the atmospheric condition, okay, the oil will shrink to only this volume. So BO is this volume divided by this volume. Reservoir barrel, reservoir volume divided by stock tank barrel. Reservoir condition divided by atmospheric condition, stock tank condition, always the numerator is greater than the denominator. Ya. Pembilang selalu lebih besar dari penyebut dalam hal ini. So BO is always greater than or equal to 1. Okay, this is the also a good picture, ya. At separator, you will have the oil, this volume, and of course, gas will be liberated, gas will release, and the volume of gas is here. Okay, and then from separator, the oil will flow to the stock tank. To the stock tank, the pressure will be reduced again, the pressure will decrease, so more gas will be liberated. Ya, semakin banyak gas akan lepas ketika tekanan turun. Jadi the remaining volume is only here, ya, the remaining volume. The rest changes to gas. Ya. The rest is liberated into gas. And then the gas maybe you burn or you compress. So the remaining volume is this. Yeah, so BO is always greater than 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Another picture, okay? Inside the reservoir, you have high pressure, for example. So the volume is this. Yeah, the volume is this. But at surface condition, at stock tank condition, or at standard condition, the oil will be broken down. Yeah, you can say broken down. Okay, gas will come out, and this is the symbol of the gas, and the remaining oil volume is this. So it will shrink. Yeah, surface volume will always be smaller than reservoir volume. Sisa minyak di permukaan itu akan selalu lebih sedikit secara volume dibandingkan kondisi reservoir. Kenapa? Karena di permukaan gas akan lepas. Jadi oilnya menyusut. Ya. Istilahnya, if I use analogy, inside the reservoir, the oil is fat, gemuk, gendut. Ya, karena dia banyak menelan gas. Ya. The oil is fat, because the oil contain gas. But in surface condition, the gas will be free, so oil will shrink. Oil will be slim. Ya. Ketika di permukaan, gas itu pengen lepas semua, jadi oilnya menjadi kurus. So that's for the analogy. And then this is the picture. We start from initial pressure to bubble point pressure. PO will increase because we will have oil expansion. Ya, oil expansion. Karena because at this original condition, the oil is compressed by high pressure. So if the pressure is decreased from initial PI to bubble point pressure, oil will expand. But from bubble point pressure to surface pressure, there will be gas liberation. Gas will come up, gas will come out, gas will be free, oil will shrink. Yeah, oil shrinkage.